about 1977, but that's just he went on an underground pig racing circuit. Now he's back out here in the open. Let's hear it for Elvis Pigsley in the white. And the pig in blue was a licensed and bonded pig race announcer. I'm not allowed to voice any political opinions one way or another. I'll just say her name and y'all can do whatever you want. Let's hear it for Swillery, Rodham Clinton in the blue. About what I thought she'd get, Elroy. And the yeller, we brought the pig and yeller special here to the Salem Fair from way out west of here, even farther than Kansas, all the way from the LBC. Let's hear it for big old Snoop H-O-double-G, Snoop Hoggy Hog and the yeller. Are you guys ready for one more pig race? All right, Bugle Boy. Elvis Pigsley standing lead, and it's going to be Elvis Pigsley by a snow. Shaker girls, thanks for playing along. You can just drop your shakers where you're at. Folks, we hope you enjoyed that as much as we enjoyed doing it for you. If you liked the show, please tell everybody. If you didn't like it, just don't say nothing.